was thinking about space physics, the kind of, which I had a lot of fun with when I was young. I used to always watch the documentaries when I was supposed to be watching cartoons like all the normal people. I was watching things about planets and space shuttles and all that kind of stuff. Simpler times when you didn't have to worry about anything, but it was really cool. And I remember there was a particular thing that I was wondering for a long time, and it was, they managed to work out how far away like different galaxies are and all that kind of thing. And you know what I always wondered, how do they know? I mean, it's not like they go out with a measuring tape and measure how far away it is. How do they work it out? But I remember finding out with this really cool documentary, and it tried to explain it, and basically it was saying that the reason, or the way that they do it, is this: they look for what they call a standard candle, and a standard candle is a type 1a supernova, if I remember correctly. It's a long time ago. But and this type 1a supernova is basically a dying star, a really big one, and it eventually explodes at the end of its life. But what's cool about it is, no matter where it is, a type 1a, that particular type, always blows up, giving off the same amount of light. So if you know exactly what amount of light it should give off, then it's kind of easier to figure out how far away it is, because you can look at one, if you find one, and measure how much light is coming out of it. If there's a lot of light, then it's closer, because there's not so much distance for it to travel to get to Earth. And if there's not very much light, then it's further away, and you can kind of work out the distance with that. It's very cool. Pretty much any problem, it seems, you can find a way to work it out if you spend long enough on it. But it's very cool, a time that I miss. I wish I could go back to the time where I could just watch documentaries all day about space. So, I think I'm going to try and watch more of these kind of things for 2015. Or 2016, because we've just finished 2015. I'm still getting used to changing the dates around. Anyway, I'm sure you guys would like me to just chat up now.